Introduction. Basic first aid knowledge is an essential life skill, especially among school students who may encounter emergencies either at home, in school, or during outdoor activities. Minor injuries such as cuts, nosebleeds, sprains, and burns are common occurrences in schools. However, many students and even teachers struggle to remember the correct steps to treat these injuries safely and quickly. Traditional first aid kits usually lack clear, accessible instructions, and printed manuals are often overlooked or confusing, especially for young learners. This project introduces an augmented reality AR first aid box where each emergency situation is linked to an interactive AR experience. By scanning a QR code or image maker using a mobile device, users can view step by step animations showing how to treat specific injuries in real time. This hands on visual learning approach enhances understanding and retention, empowering students to take safe, confident action in emergencies.
This innovation project promotes the use of technology in health education, aligning with modern teaching strategies and supporting sustainable development goal SDG 3. Good health and well-being by encouraging a culture of safety and health awareness among children. SDG 4. Quality education engaging learning methods are aligned with 21st century skills as an innovative learning tool. SDG 9. Industry innovation and infrastructure. This encourages students' innovation and technology adoption in solving real-world problems using augmented reality AR. Problem statements. Lack of awareness. Many students are not aware of the names, function and correct usage of the items inside a first aid box, which limits their ability to act during minor injuries or emergencies. Limited access to update visual guidance. Most first aid instructions are text heavy or outdated, lacking modern visual aids like video demonstration that reduce the effectiveness of first aid education in schools. Fear or uncertainty during emergencies. During minor emergencies, panic and hesitation can delay the treatment process, leading to complications.
Objectives of the innovation project. First, to develop an interactive and school-friendly AR-based first aid box specifically for use in school. Second, to demonstrate correct treatment methods for common minor injuries through AR animations. Third, to enhance first aid learning using technology. Fourth, to encourage safe, quick, and independent action among students during minor emergencies.
This is AI first aid box. Scan to save. There are 6 injuries to be referred: sprain, insert bite stain, bruises, swelling, minor burn, nosebleeds.
You can scan these pictures to get a clear instruction.
If somebody has a sprain or a strain, what you want to do is protect it from any further injury, brace it so it has time to recover, apply a rough ice pack and some comfortable support, which is a bandage, and then a bruise is superficial bleeding into the skin, and that's what you see. You're seeing the blood under the skin, and that's why it becomes discoloured.
Wash your hands before treating the wound. Rinse the wound with clean water and soap, if possible. If there is still dirt in the wound, use a sterile gauze pad to remove it. If possible, disinfect the wound with an antiseptic. Make an adhesive dressing to cover the wound using sterile gauze pads and adhesive tape, or apply a ready-to-use self-adhesive dressing. Make sure that your tetanus shots are up to date. If any doubt, seek advice from your doctor. Watch out for any signs of infection in the following days. If you notice any redness, heat, or pain, consult your doctor.
Conclusion: the AI first aid box bridges the gap between knowledge and action by using immersive AR technology to simplify medical guidance for young users. It transforms a regular first aid box into interactive, educational, and potentially life-saving innovation, making schools smarter, safer, and more responsive.
Our target users are primary and secondary school students, teachers and school health coordinators, community learning centers and clubs as Red Crescent Scouts, general public for awareness campaigns.